Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to ZTE Blade A53 Pro. Need to start by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, tap on I agree. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, click on OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of ZTE. Also on ZTE, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to an Android. From it, you can finally click on all of those categories located at the top, and in them tap on all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can also just select the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. Wherever you decide, when you finished, tap on Send next to selected, located at the bottom. Now hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. In order to input this key, you need to tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers from an Android to ZTE, and then click on Receive button. If you prefer to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up. And last but not least, point your ZTE's camera at the code. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!